buddy. Be my Facebook friend breaker. I'm driving, let's go. There's quite a few of them out there, a little rough and tough from time to time, but there's quite a few of them that didn't get no 28s, and I was hearing them from other people not keying up, in-between keys, I guess that's what you would call it, in-between keys. I was hearing them. Anyways, teaching them something, and the rest of the good time gang on this 285-456 over South Texas, Corpus Christi getting on out. I hear you out there, Top Gun. Sure sounding good down here in my neighborhood. Old Top Gun. 425, little brother with me. Oh, going out there in Music City in the woods, just reading the map. Hello, 481. Hello, 481, 456. 481, 456. So long with the wave. Good day, good day. I believe that'd be the puppies. I'm not sure. He kind of the radio sounds a little bit like the puppies. No doubt about it. I appreciate the Watergate puppies. Have a good one out here. Good day, good day, good day. Beer money, beer money, beer money. West side, 456. So long with the wave your way. Good day, good day, good day. No, do my car shake. You know it's a good day when that sun shines. The Super Final 73's good to hear you, Mario. It's been quite some time since I've heard you put the speaking the spoke on me, but anyway, top of the day to you 73's. Keep on with the keywing on Beer Money, West Side, 456, Oklahoma, out your way. Good day. Hey, 256, you've done great. DW, I wish you a wonderful day and a blessed week. Welcome to the weekend coming up. 256, DW, from Mississippi. The radio in the Buckeye waving. So that barefoot, on that barefoot radio in what was that, man? It'd be rough and tough. I can't deny it, man. God loves the truth, and I'm speaking nothing but the truth. It'd be rough and tough out here around my Oklahoma. That's why I got to take a standby from time to time, man. I got to sit here and read the mail there, Roger. He hears you. Good day on. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye. Nationwide is on your side. Hey, Jelly Belly. Nationwide is on your side. Ain't no doubt about that. Keep on with the key around. Jelly Belly, 456. So long with the big wave rocking up. Yeah, I'll be on you later. I'll have this thing home. Hey, number 9, live wire out there. Hey, you popped it up here. I need a little rough one, that thing. Who knows, I might get lucky. I don't know what they got in that, probably module 4. Time no see me, but it's good to hear you there again. Alright, have a super fun with 73's. Keep on with the keep it on. I'm going to get back on this quiet so I can sit here and eat stuff on the Nationwide is on your side. Hey, put it on in there, Jelly Belly 456. So we're on back on the mail. Good day.